Hey squad, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Yuri Tochilo, and let's get started. Today we will cover what a context diagram is, break down its core components, walk through a step-by-step guide, and point out common mistakes. A context diagram is a high-level visual representation of a system that shows the system itself, shown as a single box, external entities interacting with it, the data flows between the system and those external entities. It does not show internal processes, logic, or technical details. Think of it as a big picture tool for defining system boundaries. It supports scope definition, stakeholder identification, requirements elicitation. Let's use a practical analogy. Think of the system as a restaurant kitchen. The kitchen represents the system. Customers, suppliers, and delivery apps are external entities. Orders, payments, deliveries are data flows. The context diagram shows who interacts with the kitchen and what they exchange, but not how the food is actually prepared. A proper context diagram includes three key elements. First, the system, often called process zero in DFDs, represented as a single box. Example, online banking system. Second, external entities, actors that exist outside the system boundary. Examples, customer, payment gateway, regulatory authority. Third, data flows, arrows that represent information exchange. Examples, payment request, account data, transaction confirmation. Avoid overloading the diagram. If it becomes complex, you've gone too deep. Let's review how to create a context diagram step by step. Step 1. Define the system boundary. Ask what is in scope and what is outside. Step 2. Identify external stakeholders and systems. Use stakeholder analysis outputs. Step 3. Identify interactions. What data enters and leaves the system. Step 4. Draw the diagram. Place the system in the center. Surround it with external entities. Connect them using clearly labeled data flows. Step 5. Validate with stakeholders. A context diagram is not just documentation, it's a communication tool. Let's look at a practical example, an e-commerce platform. System, process zero, e-commerce system. External entities, customer, payment gateway, warehouse system, delivery service. Data flows, customer to system, order request, payment details. System to customer, order confirmation, status updates. System to payment gateway, payment request. Payment gateway to system, payment confirmation. System to warehouse, order details. Warehouse to system, inventory status. System to delivery service, shipment request. Delivery service to system, delivery status. Key point: the diagram shows who interacts with the system and what data is exchanged, without showing internal logic like order processing or inventory algorithms. Common mistakes, including internal processes. That's for lower level diagrams like DFDs. Excessive detail. Context diagram should stay high level. Missing key stakeholders. Leads to scope gaps and rework. Unclear data flows. Each data flow must represent a clear and meaningful exchange of information. Alright, that's all for today. Don't miss out, hit like and subscribe. Stay awesome and as always, peace.